Thank you for joining our cooking course. We're really excited to share Thuyen's intimate knowledge and experience of Vietnamese cuisine with the world. In this course, you will learn how to cook pho, which is definitely the most well-known Vietnamese food outside of Vietnam. Pho is a special kind of beef noodle soup that has developed in Vietnam over several hundred years. It looks simple, but the special flavors in a good bowl of pho are the result of a careful balance of ingredients, some of which can't be substituted. You're also going to learn how to cook a delicious dish called bún thịt nướng, which is another type of noodle dish, but rather than being a soup, you will eat these noodles with specially seasoned pork and fried spring rolls cut up and mixed into the noodles. Spring rolls that we use in the dish are also the third dish that you'll be learning how to cook in the course. Spring rolls can make a great snack by themselves, eaten with special Vietnamese sauces that you're going to learn how to cook in this course, or they can be cut up and put into other dishes such as bún thịt nướng, which I mentioned you will learn. There's a PDF file with the exact ingredients you will need to purchase in order to make these dishes correctly. Pictures are included so you can just print that sheet out and take it down to your local Asian market, which should be easy to find in any city. Once you're ready, turn on the first lesson and let's get started.